Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z, from A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for basketball, B for basketball. C for cow, C for cow. D for driver, D for driver. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jungle, J for jungle. K for kite, K for kite. L for leopard, L for leopard. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sunflower, S for sunflower. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vehicle, V for vehicle. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yellow, Y for yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.